In this video on computer network subject, we will solve a question. So let's start. A router uses the following routing table. The routing table has been given here, and they are asking packet bearing a destination address, this one, arrives at the router, on which interface it will be forwarded. This IP address, when ended with mask, gives us network ID, right? It gives us network ID, right? So what we will do is we will take the IP address 144.16.68.117 and we will end it with the first option, that is first row, that is 255.255.0.0. So this one will give us the same result, that is 144. Why? Because all are ones in the 255, so anything ended with 1 is the same result, right? 16 also will give us 16, and this 68 ended with 0 will give us 0. 117 when ended with 0 give us 0, right? So look at the destination, that is 144.16.0.0, so it matches. The binary conversion of the second option, that is first we will take the IP address and again do the same thing, that is we will end it with the mask, right? So this is the IP address, this is the IP address, and this one is your mask, 255.255.224 in the second row, here in the second row 224.0, right? So this one gives us the same result, that is 144, because all are ones in the 255, so it gives us the same result. 16, 68 and 224. 68 in binary is 0 1 0 0 0 1 0 0, and 224 in binary is this 0 0 0 0. So you can see that 1 and 1 will give us 1, other will turn into 0, others will turn into 0. Anything ended with 0 is 0, anything ended with 1 is 1, and 1 will give us 1, right? So this is equal to 64. So we have arrived at 64. Now look at this destination, it is the same, that is 144.16.64.0. that's what we have obtained here, .64.0. so this one also matches, and this also matches with the destination, right? So we will again do the same thing, that is 144.16.68.117, and when we end it with 255.25.0, we will arrive at 144.16.68.0. this one also matches, this one also matches, this one also matches. Now we have to check only one option, that is this one, right? So 16.68. now 224 is 3 ones followed by 5 zeros, and this one 117, so this is your 117, right? 0 1 1 1 0 1 0 1. Now if you do the end with this one, that is 255.255.255.224 in the last option, then you will get at 96. 96 doesn't match with this one. Why? Because there is 64 given here, right? So only three options, first three options are matching, but we are going to take the one with the longest sequence of ones. So this one is taken. Why? Because this one is having the longest sequence of ones, 255 255 255. there are 24 ones here, 24 ones in this sequence, so we will take this one, Ethernet 2, right? A packet bearing a destination arrives at the router, on which interface will be forwarded. Option C is the right one, that is Ethernet 2. Why? Because all these three options were matching, but we have to take the longest sequence of ones. So thank you for watching this video. If you found the content useful, then don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe my channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you very much.